Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to find outliers in SPSS. चले गए सब. So first of all, for example, let's check this. For example, I have a variable name age. This is a continuous type variable, and these are the values under the variable age. So the first value is 15, 14, 52, 45, 65, 75 and 80. So for example, we are going to check that if there is an outlier present in our data, so how we can find it. So first of all, you will go to analyze, then go to descriptive statistics, and after that go to explore. Let's reset this. Put your variable here in the dependent list and click on the statistics. Now here you can see that there is an option for outliers. Click this one. So we don't need to check the descriptive of this variable. So we can untick this descriptive. Just tick on the outlier because we are just check the outliers of this variable and click on continue. Click OK. Now here you can see they will tell about the cache processing summary about the variable age that we have 7 values, 100% values are included in our analysis, and there is no missing values. The other table, they tell us about the extreme values. For example, the highest value on the 7th place, that is 80. Let's check this one. You can see on the 7th place, this is the extreme values, means the maximum value of the data, and the second one is the minimum value here in the lowest box, which is 14, and this is on the second place. Okay, this is the case numbers. So after this, you can see here that they have made a box plot here, and I hope that you will know about that. You are familiar about the box and whisker plot, that the first, this value is the minimum value and this one is the maximum value. This line is the first quartile, the middle line is the median of the data, and this line is the third quartile. So here you can see that they did not show any outlier or any value outside the box or outside these whiskers. So we can say that there is no outlier present in our data. Now for example, I am going to change this 80 and put 200 instead of 80. For example, now the data is 15 to 200. Now let's check again that what the result will be. Go to analyze, descriptive, and explore. Again go to statistics and click on the outliers, continue, and OK. So now the easiest way that you just check the box and whisker plot here. Now you can see here that they are showing the value of which is on 7th place. They tell us about the extreme value or the outlier that is present in our data, which is on the 7th place. So let's check. At 7th place the value is 200, and we can say that there is an outlier present in our data. So after that you can check or you can modify this value by taking the mean of these values and put the mean of these all values here. In our previous data, uh, we have discussed that how to change or how to fill the series. So at that way you can also modify this value. Okay, so you can manually change this value. For example, let's we have another value 500. Let's check what will be the result. Now the values is 15, 14, 500, 45, 65, 75 and 200. Now let's check what will be the result for the outliers. Click on outliers, continue, and OK. So let's check the box and whisker plot. Now here you can see that there is an outlier present in our data, that is 500, and the value present at third place. You can see here that the outlier present in our data, which is 500, and that is on third place. So they will also tell you about the place of your outlier. So you can then after this modify this value. For example, I want to change this value, and let's change this value with 300. Now let's check the result. I hope there will be no outlier. Go to statistic, continue, and OK. Let's check the box and whisker plot. Yeah, there is an outlier present in our data which is on the third place, and that is a value of 300. For example, now I want to change this value and put 150 instead of 300. Now let's check. Go to explore, statistics, outlier, continue, and OK. And now you can see here that there is no outlier present in our data. So in this way you can find the outlier. These are the this is only seventh observation here, but when in your research you have a lot of observation, that is 500, 1000. So in this way you can find the outliers of your data, and you can also modify that outliers with your values, that is the mean of all observation or nearby means. Okay. So in this way you can find the outliers that is present in your data, and you can also modify that. Okay, thank you.